Well, I just made some soup and it's depressurized now. This is the pressure. And let's take a look at there's the soup. And this soup is baby lima, potato, celery, onion, a little bit of garlic. Boy, it sure smells good. What an abundance. And this is what I cook my soup in. This has cooked a lot of soup over the years, and it's self-powered. I got the cord in the shop. Anyway, what an abundance. What a wonderful abundance. So this is it's past 4. I have not eaten today yet. So this is my breakfast. I could have gotten something earlier, but no need. I'll put this over in the shop. This is sort of hard to beat this. This is soup, this is cheese, this is sourdough bread. Wow, isn't that wonderful? Back on the wall here in the shop, I got 2 of them.